You're traveling to a North Country fair, where the wind heads heavy on the borderlines. Remember me to the one who lives there. Please see for me if she's wearing a coat so warm, and to keep her from the howling winds. Thank you.
Just give me another song just to get a little more of an idea of what you do.
Okay.
Can you do me a favor? Just keep your eyes open
Yeah.
and look at us or look to your guitar.
Awesome. Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know.
There it is.
But it's been coming down for some time. When it's over, so the sight, it will rain a sunny day. Well, I know.
There it is.
Sounding down like water. But I want to know, well, have you ever seen the rain? Yeah.
Oh, my God.
But I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? Yeah. Coming down on a sunny day.
He is Debesh.
Thank you.
You want to open for me in Detroit, Michigan in 2 weeks?
Of course. Oh, my God. I am loving this discovery.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you, actually.
Do you notice the connection when you kept your eyes open and the joy and the happiness?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, because you have such a great storyteller voice. And I'm really excited for you.
Thank you.
We know what you're doing. You are feeling this music, but it makes your eyes kind of roll back and flutter a little bit. And we're just trying to set you up for global overtaking. What a unique artist you are.
How did you audition?
I went to the open call
Where?
in Wichita, Kansas.
Was it the bus?
Yeah, it was the bus.
So you just brought your guitar, you came to the bus, and you sang your song.
Yeah.
I
mean, what an
I
American
like it.
story. This is in the middle of Kansas.
Arthur, you're a rock star.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I want you to understand something,
Okay.
okay? This is me talking to you. You have no idea what this journey is going to be for you.
I'm stoked for it. I'm excited, really.
Oh, man. God bless you. You are the story that we need to tell, and welcome to the world, my friend.
Thank you very much, sir.
I don't think we need a vote.
All right, let's do it.
You are
You
going
are going
to
to
Hollywood.
Hollywood.